Hi, everyone. It's an honor to present on behalf of Epicore Biosystems today. At Epicore, our mission is to protect workers and warfighters from heat injury with breakthrough wearable technologies. My name is Roozbeh Ghaffari. I'm CEO and co-founder of Epicore Biosystems. My educational background is mainly on the engineering and technology side. I earned my BS, MEng, and PhD degrees from MIT. The Epicore team has deep domain expertise in medical devices and wearable devices in particular. Our offices are headquartered right here in Cambridge, Massachusetts. Climate change, as we know it, has had enormous impact on every facet of our daily lives. It turns out that extreme heat and global warming affects safety and workforce productivity, costing our economy hundreds of billions of dollars annually. Research shows that dehydration leads to significant cognitive as well as physical performance deficits. And these deficits in turn lead to injuries, fatalities, and health data shows that the average cost could exceed even $90,000 per injury. But what if we could create biosensors that are the size of stickers that you could wear and measure your hydration status, your motion, your skin temperature, all in real time and preemptively offer rehydration and recovery feedback to the wearer? At Epicore, we have created this novel biowearable technology and tailored it for workers and military personnel across industries. This is the first product of its kind to manage your hydration, provide alarms, whether or not you're dehydrated, and offer real-time, individualized, and actionable feedback on how to rehydrate. We have multiple peer-reviewed scientific publications and patents that underpin this breakthrough technology. Our flagship product, Connected Hydration, as shown here, embodies these capabilities by empowering industrial workers and warfighters with continuous hydration management at their fingertips. The solution, as you see here, includes a smart wearable, a mobile app, and cloud engine for data capture and storage over time. Industrial athletes, as we call them, can view their data in real time and track their longitudinal data trends over a period of months, weeks, days. The enterprise cloud is built for corporate leaders and safety teams at large, providing population trends, stats, as well as hydration insights to help with interventions before it's too late. And finally, our business model is B2B with a focus on enterprise customers across a few strategic industries, including energy, mining sectors, power utilities, construction and engineering, as well as chemical factories and chemical engineering work. The connected hydration system has already been field deployed and proven across these existing early adopters, flagship customers, and collaborators. For example, Chevron Corporation has deployed connected hydration across the United States and offshore in Class 1 Div 2 environments. And we're now in a position to onboard more enterprise customers with international footprints and accelerate adoption into new sectors over the next 18 to 24 months. Our information is shown here. For any further details about our solutions, technology, and team, feel free to reach out at any time and connect. Thank you.
Thank you, Roozbeh. Can you talk a little bit about how you protect the privacy of the wearer's personal data?
Yes, this is a really important consideration for us as we were implementing the system. First and foremost, we try to empower the worker. So The solution is built and the mobile app is individualized and built for the worker to view their own data. But at the cloud level, we see that there is real need and demand for having real-time access to populations and trends that are happening at different work sites, regions, across the individual corporations. And the sort of default mode and setting that we have established for our cloud is to provide anonymized population statistics and trends that are happening for the corporations, providing that privacy and trust for the individual worker. This is a default setting, and we understand that there's benefits and needs across different industries where you may need to know each worker. And so we built the cloud in such a way that workers can opt in, opt out, and turn on those capabilities to de-anonymize if necessary.
Thank you for the information. And also, is there an adhesive that is a part of it for monitoring? And also, how is that different from other trackers, smartwatches, fitness trackers?
Great question. The way to think about our solutions is think of it as like a Fitbit, but for biochemistry, as opposed to steps and heart rate. And so by measuring your hydration status, the way this works is we do use an adhesive against your skin that interfaces directly with your skin pores, and we're able to measure tiny amounts of sweat and its composition to tell us about your hydration. We measure sweat composition alongside temperature, motion, activity, and other biometrics. And we do that by using a hypoallergenic adhesive and done number of validation studies to prove it out. And we are working on future generations as well that could be worn without adhesive, but currently that seems to be the preferred way, and we validated the entire solution from device all the way through the cloud.